Now, Dr. Zakir, on to the second category of people. We're talking about exemptions. Can you list or mention all of the different categories of people that are exempted from fasting during the month of Ramadan?
There are, in total, according to me, 13 categories of people who are exempted from fasting. The first is if the person is an unbeliever, if he is a non-Muslim. Number two, if he or she is a minor. Number three, if the person is insane. Number four, if it's a lady and she is menstruating, she need not fast. Number five, if she has her postnatal bleeding, she's exempted from fasting. Number six, if she's pregnant, then she's exempted. Number seven, if she's breastfeeding, she's exempted. Number eight, if the person is ill or is sick, he or she is exempted. Number nine, if the person is disabled. Number 10, that if the person is very elderly, has reached a very old age. Number 11, if the person is traveling. Number 12, if the person is taking part in jihad or a fight in the cause of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And number 13, under compulsion. Under compulsion, if someone forces and if the person doesn't fast, he or she is exempted. These are, in short, the 13 categories in which a person is exempted from fasting.